वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं रथे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायं अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
प्रत्ययः
प्रत्ययः
परश्च
श्च
आद्युदातश्च
आद्युदात्तश्च
अनुदातौ सुप्तितौ
दात्तौ सुप्तौ
गुप्तिष्किद्भ्यः सन्
गुप्तिचुकितिभ्यः सन्
मान् भदधांशान्भ्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
मान् भददांशान्भ्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
धातो कर्मणसमानकर्तृकादिच्छायां वा
धातोः कर्मणः समानकर्तृकादिच्छायां वा
सुप आत्मनख्य च
सुप आत्मनः च
काम्यच्च
काम्यच्च
उपमानादाचारे
प्रमाणादाचारे
अधिकरणाचेति वक्तव्यम्।
करणाचेत् वक्तव्यम्
कर्तुक्यं सलोपश्च
कर्तुक्यं सलोपश्च
सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः क्विप्वा वक्तव्यः।
सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः क्विप्वा वक्तव्यः
वृषादिभ्यो भुव्यच्वेर्लोपश्च हलः
वृषाभ्यो भुवज्वेर्लोपश्च हलः
लोकितादिडाज्भ्यः ख्यश
लोहितादिराजभ्यः
कष्टाय कर्मणे
कष्टाय क्रमणे
कर्मणो रोमन्थतपोभ्यां वर्तिचरोः
कर्मणो रोमन्थतपोभ्यां वर्तिचरोः
बाष्पोष्मभ्यामुद्वमने
बाष्पोष्माभ्याम् उत्पमने
शब्दवैरकलहाब्रकन्वमेघेभ्यः करणे
शब्दवैरकलहाब्रकम्बमेघेभ्यः करणे
सुखादिभ्यः कर्तृवेदनायाम्
सुखाभ्यः कर्तृवेदनायाम्
नमो वरिवश्चित्रहृक्य च
नमो वरिवश्चित्रज्ञः च
पुच्छभाण्डचीवराणिङ्
पुच्छभाण्डचीवराङ्गिं
मुण्डविष्टश्लक्ष्णलवनव्रतवस्त्रालकलकृततुस्थेभ्यो निच
मुदमिश्रश्लक्ष्मणलवनव्रतवस्त्रहलकालकृततोस्तेभ्यो च
धातो रेखाचोह्लादे क्रिया समविहारे यङ्
धातोरेकाचोहलादिः क्रियासमाविहारेयम्
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गतौ
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गताौ
लुपसदचरजपजपदहदशगृभ्यो भावगर्गायाम्
उपसदचरजबज्जबदोहदश गुरुभ्यो भावगर्हायाम्
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणातुलशोकसेनालोमत्वचवर्मवर्णचूर्ण चुरादिभ्यो णिच
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणातुलिश्लोकसेनालोमत्वा च वर्मवर्णचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो च
हेतुमति च
हेतुमति च
खण्ड्वादिभ्यो यक्
खण्ड्वादिभ्यो यक्
विपूदूपविच्छिपनिपनिभ्य आयः
उपोधोपविच्छिप्पणिपणिभ्यायः
प्रतेरीयङ्
प्रतेरीयं
खमेर्णिङ्
कमेर्णिम्
आयादय आर्धधातुके वा
आयादय आर्धधातुके वा
सनाद्यन्ता धातवः
सनाद्यन्ता धातवः
सितासीलृटोः
सितासीलृलटोः
सिब्बकुलं लेटी
बहुलं लेटि
कास्प्रत्ययादाममन्त्रे लिटि
प्रत्ययादाममन्त्रे लिटि
इजादेश्च गुरुमतो नृच्छः
जादेश्च गुरुमतो नृच्छः
दयायासश्च
दयायासश्च
उषविदजागृभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
उषवीदजागृभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
बीह्रीभृहुवांश्लवच्च
बिह्रीभृहुवां श्लुवच्छ
कृञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लिटि
कृञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लुटि
विदां कुर्वन्त्वित्यन्यतरस्याम्
विदां कुर्वन् त्वित्यन्यतरस्याम्
अभ्युत्सादयां व्रजनयां चिकयां रमयामकः पावयां क्रियाद्विदामखृण्णिति छन्दसि
अभ्युत्सादयं प्रजनयं चिकयं रमयामकः पावयां क्रियाद्विदामक्रमिति छन्दसि
श्लीलुङि
श्लीलुङि
श्लेघेसि च
श्लेहेसि च
शलैपदादनिटक्सः
शलैकुपदः अनिटः क्षः
शिश आलिङ्गने
श्लिश आलिङ्गने
नदृशः
नदृशः
नीषीदृसृभ्यः
मिश्रीदृस्तृभ्यः कर्तरिच्छम्
विभाषादेक्ष्व्योः
भाषादेढेतिश्रुयोः
गुपैश्छन्दसि
अपेश्छन्दसि
नोनयति ध्वनयत्येलयत्यर्दयतिभ्यः
नोनयति ध्वनयत्येलत्यर्दयतिभ्यः
अस्यति वक्त्यादिभ्योऽङ्
अस्यति वक्तिख्यादिभ्योऽङ्
लिपीसि चीह्वश्च
लिपिसिचिह्वश्च
आत्मेपदेष्वन्यतरस्याम्
आत्मनेपदेष्वन्यतरस्याम्
पुषादीदितालृदितः परस्मैपदेषु
पुषादिद्वितीयर्लरिद्धितः परस्मैपदेषु
सर्तिशास्त्यर्थिभ्यश्च
सर्ति शास्त्यर्थिभ्यश्च
ईरितो वा
ऋतो वा
जृस्तम्भो मृचु मृचु गृचु ग्लुचु ग्लुञ्चु श्विभ्यश्च
जृस्थ which one?
जृस्तम्भो मृचु मृचु गृचु ग्लुचु ग्लुञ्चु श्विभ्यश्च 58
जृस्तम्भो भृचो मृचो गृचो ग्लुचो ग्लुञ्चो श्विभ्यश्च
कृमृद्रर्गिभ्यश्छन्दसि
कृब्रद्ररोहिभ्यश्छन्दसि
चिन्ते पदः
चुण्ठे पदः
दीपजनबुधपूरी अयिभ्यायिभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
दीपजनबुधपूरितायिभ्यायिभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
अचकर्मकर्तरी
च कर्मकर्तरि
दुहश्च
पुरश्च
न हृदः
रुदः
तपोनुतापे च
अपोनुतापे च
छिन्भावकर्मणोः
भावकर्मणोः
सार्वधातुके यक्
सार्वधातुके यक्
कर्तरी शप्
कर्तरि शप
दिवादिभ्यशन्
आदिभ्यश्यन्
वा भ्राश भाष ब्रह्मक्रमक्लमोतसि त्रुटिलशः
वा भ्रश ब्लाश भ्रमुक्रमुक्लमुत्रसि त्रुटिलशः
यशोनुपसर्गात्
यशोनुपसर्गात्
संयसश्च
संयसश्च
स्वादिभ्यश्चु
स्वादिभ्यश्नुः
श्रुवश्रु च
श्रुवश्र च
अक्षोऽन्यतरस्याम्
क्षोण्यतरस्याम्
तनूकरणे तक्षः
तनूकरणे तक्षः
तुदादिभ्यश्यः
तुदाद्भ्यश्शः
रुदादिभ्यश्नम्
रुदाद्भ्यश्नम्
तनादिकृङ्भ्यः उः
तनादिकृम्भ्यः उः
धिन्विकृण्भ्योरच
लिङ्विकृम्भ्योरच
क्रयादिभ्यश्ना
क्रयाद्भ्यश्ना
स्तम्भुस्तुम्भुस्कम्भुस्कुम्भुस्कुम्भ्यश्नुश्च
स्तम्भुस्तम्भुस्कम्भुस्कुम्भुस्कुम्भ्यश्नुश्च
अलश्नः शानज्जौ
लश्नश्शानज्जाौ
छन्दसि शायजपि
छन्दसि शयजपि
यत्तयो बहुलम्
व्यत्ययो बहुलम्
लिङ्ग्याशिष्यन्
विज्ञाशिष्यन्
कर्मवत्कर्मणा तुल्यक्रियः
कर्मवत्कर्मणा तुल्यक्रियः
तपस्तपःकर्मकस्यैव
तपस्तपकः कर्मकस्यैव
न दुःखस्नो नमाम्यक्षिणौ
न दोहस्नु न मां यक्षिणौ
कृषिरञ्जोः प्राचां शन् परस्मै पदं च
कुशीरन्दोः प्राच्छांस्यं परस्मैपदं च
धातोः
धातोः
तत्रोपपदं सप्तमीस्थम्
तत्रोपपदं सप्तमीस्थं
कृदतिङ्
क्रीडतिं
वासरूपो स्त्रियाम्
वासरूपो स्त्रियाम्
सार्वधातुके that is सूत्रम we are seeing कर्मणि प्रयोगः when a सार्वधातुक प्रत्यय follows धातोः परः यक् bhavati. Yak is vikarana pratyaya, not gana vikarana. It is a vikarana pratyaya comes for all the dhatus, bhava and karma vachini. And yakakara is ita letter to negate angakarya. And it is hadha dhatu pratyaya, not baladi. Therefore, no ita about. What dhatu we have seen, karmani prayoga will be patyate. Saha pustakam padati, tena pustakam patyate. Right? What
Yes.
dhatu, sakarmaka dhatu. Also, we saw abhigita, anabhigita, all those things. Please remember that.
Yes.
Sakarmaka dhatu, therefore karma is there. As dhatu, as mean to sit. Sit, that will not any karma. Ramaha aste, Rama sits. Ramena asyate, as plus yak plus te asyate. In bhave prayoga, please note. In bhave prayoga, karma is there or not?
Not. Not.
Therefore, what vibhakti, what vachanam you will use for the kriya padam? If karma is there, in keeping with karma, the vachanam will be there for the kriya padam. Pustakam is the karma, and it is in pratama vibhakti in karmani prayoga. Yes or no?
Yes.
So pustakam is pratama vibhakti. It is in karmani prayoga. In keeping any ekavachanam, in keeping with that, this also pratama purusha ekavachanam, right?
Yes.
And tena it is by the karta. Karta in tritiya vibhakti, 3-1. But in karmani prayoga, in bhave prayoga, karma will not be there. Ramaha aste kartari prayoga. Now, karmani prayoga would be Ramaha aste asdate akarmaka dhatu cannot take karma. So, karta will go in tritiya vibhakti. What about kriya padam? Karma not there. What will be the vibhakti and vachanam of, what will be, purusha and vachanam of?
Pratama Purusha Ekavachana.
That is by default. In bhave prayoga, kriya padam will take pratama purusha and ekavachanam. Understand? This is a rule, unwritten rule.
Yes.
And because this vachanam should be in keeping with karma. Karma not there. Therefore, by default, it is pratama purusha. What? What vachanam? Ekavachanam.
Ekavachana.
Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Understand? This is, remember.
Yes.
And we are seeing Nishtha Pratyaya in our Sanskritam class, right? On Saturday
Yes.
class. There what happens, you know? There what happens? There also, now for example, if you take the same dhatu, as dhatu, okay? Ramaha aste. What is the tha pratyaya? What tha pratyaya is? Nishtha pratyaya. Tavatu. Tha tavatu. Which one you will use? Kattari.
Kartari. Ktavatu. Ktavatu.
Very good. Kartaru tavatu. Now, as dhatus, tavatu form. For what is that tavatu form? As plus ta pratyaya.
Tavat.
Dhatu is set dhatu. Therefore, this will be, I'm just doing a nishtha form. Asita, will delete it, but you have to note it. Asita, it's a set dhatu. Asitavan. Ramaha asitavan means Rama sat. Past tense. Right?
Yes.
Asitavat is a pradipadikam. As plus ta pratyaya, tavatu pratyaya, ta nitagama will come. Therefore, asitavat. Asitavan, asitavantav, asitavantaha. Now, karmani prayoga vamena
Asit, asit, asita, asitah.
Asitaha or asita, what did you come? You to tell me. Ta
For
pratyaya in karmani will use. Okay, karmani and bhave. No, tell me.
bhave, so asitah.
Asitaha means you are telling, you are giving it's a pulling. What does it denote? Where is karma?
So
Therefore, by default, always
asitam.
napumsakalinga singular.
Yes,
It's a rule.
yes,
Unwritten rule. Huh? The rule is not
yes,
that. This is unwritten law. Ramena asitam only. Napumsakalinga asitam asite asitani. Napumsakalinga pratama vibhakti ekvachanam. Understand?
yes,
Like we have pratama purusha ekavachanam for kriya padam, and in the nishta pratyaya, ta pratyaya, in bhave prayoga, that noun asita will take pratama vibhakti ekavachanam. Is it clear?
yes.
Much relevant for our Saturday's class. You have to remember this. So Ramena asyate. Similarly, bhave prayoga here. Tena patyate. Patyate, why we use? Why is tritiya?
Because
Why third person singular?
this is bhave.
Bhave prayoga. That is why karma not there. Even though the dhatu is sakarmaka dhatu, can take karma, but karma is not mentioned. Therefore, tena patyate. Karta is in Tritiya Vibhakti and karma is not there. Therefore, Kriya Padam by default it will be
3-1.
Kriya Padam, it will be Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam. Please remember.
In Tena is 3-1.
Okay. Sorry, that's Sakshamitam. Tena is 3-1. Yes, you're right. Tena is 3-1. If it is 1-1, then it will be keeping with Patyate. Tena is
Yes.
3-1. Yes. Good. Understand?
Yes.
Fine. Now let us see Karmani. Karmani, which some of those dhatus we are seeing. Rikara dhatu, Ru will become Ri. Like Kru dhatu plus Yak plus Te, Adu dhatu ka pratyaya. Vala, not Valadi, therefore no Itta Gama and Kit no Anga Karya also possible. Kru will not become Kar, no Anga Karya possible. The rule is Ru will become Ri when followed by Yak. That's the rule. Remember that.
Yes.
This is the rule I've given. This is not required for us now. We will learn this later. So Kru become Kriyate, Ru become Riyate, all those things we have seen, right? Dhatu ending with now Ru preceded by conjunct consonant, then Ru will be replaced by Ar. Like in example, Smru becomes Smaryate. And even for Ru Dhatu also becomes Ar Aryate. Smru becomes Taryate, right?
Yes.
Then Rukaranta Dhatu, we have this sutra already we have seen. Rutaha Dhatu, Rukaranta Dhatu, Ru will be replaced by Ir. Once it is replaced by Ir, then you have got Tru will become Ter and Yak follows. So therefore, Repanda Dhatu followed by Hal preceded by this equilater will get Dirga. That is why here itself I have written Eer. Understand?
Yes.
Therefore, Tru becomes Tiryate, Tru becomes Triyiryate, Kru Kiryate, Jru Jiryate, Gru Giryate, Dru Jiryate. Similarly, this also we have seen Udoshtya Purvasya. All these are in the beginning itself. In preparing the dhatu, we have seen Udoshtya Purvasya, Rikaran dhatu preceded by Oshtya letter, Ru will be replaced by Ur. Then Pru plus Ur plus Yak followed by a consonant, Alicha, that's a sutram, we have seen. Ervoho Padayaha Dirgha Ikaha, Alicha, right? So Pada will
Yes.
become Dirgha, will become U. One step I have swallowed here. But anyway, you know it. Pru, that this will be replaced by U. Then Repanta dhatu followed by Hal, then this U will become Dirgaha. Yes or no?
Yes. Long.
Yes.
Oh.
Long Hu. So therefore this will become Hu. Then Puryate. Understand?
Yes.
Similarly here also. Puryate. Hu. Then we have seen short vowel ending, I mean, dhatus ending with a short vowel, E or U. That E will become E, U will become U. Like she becomes chiyate, jiyate, kshiyate, siyate, smiyate, and U becomes, like for example, stu plus yak plus te, stuyate, shruyate, suyate, sruyate, huyate, etc. Then fluyate, all this. Yes, in the last class. Then akara and the dhatus, these dhatus, please remember. Da, dha, bha, ma, staha. The six dhatus will be replaced by E when followed by yak. Can remember like that, nothing wrong. So da become diyate, dha become diyate, bha become biyate, ma miyate, bha biyate, sta siyate, ha hiyate. Iyate artate abupreyo vranite comes in Kathopanishad also.
And
Right?
dhyana, meditation comes from this dha.
Sorry?
The word for meditation, dhyana, comes
No,
from
no,
this
that
dha.
no, no. Da means different. That meditation, that word, that is dhatu is dhyai dhatu. That is different. That is dhyai. Dhyai will become dhya. Okay, that
Yes.
is different. That is dhyai dhatu, dhyanam. Understand?
Yes.
What is the karmani of dhya? That is also akaranta dhatu. But that would be, karmani would be different. Not like this. Dhya plus yak plus te, you get dhyayate. There nothing happens. Dhya plus yak plus te, dhyayate. Dhyayate,
Yes.
dhyayate, dhyayante. That is different. That also I think I covered here. Yes, we'll see that. Then dhatu, ghai and so. Please note. Gai dhatu and so dhatu specifically. These two dhatus also will be replaced by gai means to sing, gayati. And so, antakharmani. Dhatu, show actually becomes so, antakharmani. It means to destroy, to kill. That is the meaning. So, these two dhatus will become gi and si. Therefore, gai becomes giyate. Okay. Then
Yes.
so becomes siyate. First day becomes akaranta, then becomes iyate. Gai is the original dhatu. That becomes ga. How it becomes ga, that we will see later. I think we are going to see that later. So also will become sa. That is why I marked in red color. I'll explain this later. Or I can explain now also. It's not a problem. But anyway, I'll reserve it for the next later class. So gai becomes giyate. So becomes sa and then becomes siyate. Okay. It becomes akaranta dhatu. And then once it becomes akaranta dhatu, it is like this dhatu only. All these are akaranta dhatu. Dha, dha, bha, ma, sta, ha. Then you can include gai also. Gai becomes ga and so becomes sa. Understand? Then
Yes.
becomes giyate. Understand?
Yes.
Yeah. Then dhatus ending with akara other than the above mentioned dhatus. There are many dhatus. Like let's study here. Nya dhatu. Nya dhatu will not become niyate. Please note. Nya is nyayate only. It will not become ni. The here please heading. Dhatus ending with akara other than the above mentioned dhatus. All the dhatus ya, nya, yayate, nyayate. Understand? Glai.
Yes.
Glai becomes gla and then glayate. It will not become gliyate. That is why you have to remember these dhatus. Mla become malayate. Is it clear?
Yes.
So you need to remember some of the akaranta dhatus. These akaranta dhatus, that is dha, dha, bha, ma, sta, ha, and this gai become gha, so, and so becomes sa. These are all akaranta dhatus. These become e. Whereas other akaranta dhatus, nothing will happen. Dhya also you take dhyai dhatu. Dhyai become dhya, akaranta dhatu, then dhyayate. Dhyayate only. Understand?
Yes.
Anyway, this is not required here. For somebody I wrote this one. The ninth one is Vakara of the dhatus. These are dhatus. All these are samprasarana dhatus. Please see. What is samprasaranam? You know what is samprasaranam?
When Vakara comes back to U and Yakara comes back to E.
Sorry, say it again.
Vakara comes back to U and Yakara comes back to E.
Hmm. See, Vakara becomes Ukara. When the some dhatus are there, I can show you in the Sutra Pata.
Iknyana Samprasaranam.
Exactly, very good. Yes. And those dhatus are given in the 6th chapter, 6.1.15 and 6.1.13. You can note in your separately this. These are the dhatus which undergo samprasaranam. I'll show you. Yeah. Shashtodhyayaha. Do you see the sutra 15 and 16? Please see.
Yes. Yes.
What is 15?
Vachi Swapi Yajadinam Kiti.
So vach dhatu, sab dhatu, then in the first conjugation there is an first conjugation dhatu pata. If you see, ejadikana dhatus are there. If you want dhatu pata, I can show you that also. We have seen that dhatu pata. In fact, once we were reading many dhatus and deriving the forms also. Please see dhatu pata. Yajadi dhatus. Yajadi dhatu, how do you find? Go to the index. There, first conjugation, yajadhatu, you will see there's a subgroup in the first conjugation. Starting that with yajadhatu, those conjugation, those dhatus. Let us see that yajadi. Ya, ra, lava. Ya, ja. Bhadigana 736 dhatu. 736 in the first conjugation. Here it is. 736.
There.
Here it is. This is yajadaya.
Yes.
Ata yajadaya. These dhatus. Yajadhatu, duvap dhatu, then vagdhatu, vasdhatu, venj dhatu, venj dhatu, vada dhatu, tuvoshvi dhatu, up to here. How many dhatus? All these dhatus of this conjugation, this first conjugation, and vach dhatu, swab dhatu, and followed by kit pratyaya will undergo samprasaranam. Similarly, gragdhatu, jyadhatu, vayi dhatu, vyadi dhatu, vyadadhatu, vayi dhatu, vyadi dhatu, vashti, that also dhatu, vashti, vichati, vich dhatu, vrish dhatu, prich dhatu, brij dhatu, brasti dhatu it is. All these dhatus are samprasarana dhatus. When followed by nit pratyaya, this also will undergo samprasaranam. So this is the place where you have to look for samprasaranam. These are the samprasarana dhatavaha. Understand?
Yes.
When followed by kit or nit, it will undergo samprasaranam, ikyana samprasaranam. Okay. Now
Yes.
here, givens. Makara of samprasarana dhatus. Vach dhatu, it is there in the list. Vada also it is there. Then and vap and swap. These dhatus, what will happen? Will undergo samprasaranam. Why? Because followed by kit pratyaya. So plus kit pratyaya, vakara will undergo samprasaranam. Vakara will be replaced by ukara, right?
Yes. Yes.
Therefore, vach will become vakara will be replaced by vakara plus a, right? Vakara plus a. Va will be replaced by u. U is called samprasaranam. U plus a will be
U.
u only. Very good. That is why you get uchyate. Uch plus yak plus te uchyate. Understand?
Yes.
Similarly, vad plus yak plus te udyate. Samprasaranam and it undergoes samprasaranam. Vas plus yak plus te becomes ushyate. You may ask how shakara becoming shakara. There is a sutra specifically for this sakara of vasdhatu. Sakara of vasdhatu when preceded by in or ku will undergo samprasaranam. Sorry, will undergo shatvam. It's a rule. Already we know sakara of the pratyaya or adesha when preceded by in or ku will undergo shatvam. But here vasdhatu also it will happen. So rule is there that we will see later. It's not important, but just to note. The sakara when preceded by in or ku. Now it is not in. Vakara preceded by a. A is not in letter. But when samprasaranam happens, then vakara will become u. Now this sakara is preceded by u in letter. Therefore sakara will undergo shatvam. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
that just note that. Similarly, vap will become upyate. Vap means to sow. Karmani will be upyate. Then swap to sleep. Swapna, and that comes from this dhatu, becomes supyate. Vakara will undergo samprasaranam, vakara will become u, sakara plus u, sup plus te supyate. Is it clear?
Yes.
When followed by kit pratyaya, that is why samprasaranam. So these are all properties of the pratyaya. That is why pratyaya keeps telling, please know the properties. Ardhadhatuka pratyaya, valadi, and not valadi. It's Adhadhatuka pratyaya, kit pratyaya, because of it, angakarya is negated, but samprasaranam will happen for samprasarana dhatus. Okay.
Yes.
Then similarly for yaj dhatu, these are also samprasarana dhatus. Here what happens? Yakara is there. Yakara will be replaced by ikara. So yaj plus y because followed by kit pratyaya. So yakara will be replaced by e, then ij plus yak plus te, ijyate. Right?
Yes.
Vyadadhatu. Vyadadhatu, vakara also is there, yakara also is there. But you have to go in this direction, from right to left. So when yak pratyaya follows, because of the kit pratyaya, now you have to go in this direction. So yakara is first, therefore that will become, yakara will be replaced by e. Then you get with. After samprasaranam, again you cannot do one more samprasaranam. Vakara will not undergo samprasaranam. Vakara plus yakara, vakara plus yakara plus a is there. Because of the kit pratyaya, vakara becomes e. Then e is samprasaranam plus a, e only. After samprasaranam, then this vakara will not undergo samprasaranam again. Samprasarane pare samprasaranam na bhavati. That also we have seen. Sandhi. When samprasaranam follows, samprasaranam will not happen. Remember?
Yes.
If not, please check our sandhi notes. Na samprasarane na samprasaranam. When samprasarana follows, samprasaranam will not happen. We have seen that. Please recall. Yakara is replaced by ikara. Ikara is the letter itself is called samprasaranam. The process as well as the adesha, the yakara replaced by e, enjoy samprasaranam. Now vakara plus e, e is samprasaranam. When samprasaranam follows, samprasaranam cannot happen. Na samprasarane. Samprasaranam is a rule. So vyad will become vidyate. Understand? If
Yes.
you have notes, please check the sandhi notes. Na samprasarane, it is there. You have with you that notes? Sandhi,
Yes.
Sanya, Paribhasha, Sandhi, Sutrani. If you see that, na samprasarane samprasaranam, I don't know the number. We have to probe what is the number of that sutra. I mean, our number. Our number is what number? I'll show you here. This is our first file. All those things we have seen before. Samhitayam Miko Yanachi Vruddhiradej. Na Samprasarane Samprasaranam Sutra number 104. Do you see that? Our Sutra number 6137. Our Sutra number is 104. What's the number? 104. So many examples, Shabdas and all we have done. 104. This is 98. Yes, 104. Please see here. Na samprasarane samprasaranam. Then this is a sutra. Padachedaha. Please see. When samprasaranam follows, samprasaranam na bhavati. When samprasaranam follows yan, then samprasaranam is negated for yan. Example, this is the example. Vakara plus r plus sakara plus such. Vakara will undergo samprasaranam. Will be replaced by what letter? Sorry, Rikara will undergo samprasaranam. Rikara will be replaced by what letter? R will be replaced. R is there.
Yes.
Dhatu is. Sorry, here it is. Sorry, Samitan. The Vrash Dhatu. Dhatu is Vrash Dhatu. So Repa is not Rikara. Vakara plus Repa plus Akara plus Sakara plus Shakara. Then Piprataya. Zero suffix. We have done all these things. This will undergo samprasaranam. Samprasaranam in this direction we have to see. Repa is there. Repa will be replaced by Rikara. Samprasaranam happens. Then R plus A will be R only. So this Vakara will it undergo samprasaranam? No. Why? Because this R is samprasaranam. When samprasaranam follows, this N letter will not undergo samprasaranam. That is why you get. That is why you get Vrist. Kara will not become U. Vrist you get. Understand? This is the example we saw in the and then we are seeing this. We saw the Shabda, that is a context. You can recollect.
Yes.
So therefore, Karmani forms here, coming back to coming back here, then Karmani form. Sorry, 1 minute. Yeah, Karmani. Now, therefore, only here we see Vyadadhatu, for example, Yakara is N letter, undergo Samprasaranam becomes Ikara, Vakara will not undergo Samprasaranam because E Samprasaranam follows N. And Samprasaranam follows, Samprasaranam will not happen for N. By that rule, you get Vidyate. Vidyate, understand?
Yes.
Then Again, repa of dhatus undergoing samprasanam. All these are samprasana dhatus only. This is yakara of samprasana dhatus, vakara of samprasana dhatus, then Ikara of samprasana, repa of samprasana dhatus. For example, Drak dhatu, if you take Drak plus Yak plus A, here we have repa. Repa will be replaced by, followed by Yak, therefore undergoes samprasanam, repa will become R, therefore Grgyate. Similarly, Prach dhatu, repa will be replaced by Prach, Prachyate. Right?
Yes.
Then we have Shvi and Hve, that is also samprasana dhatus. Shvi will become, what will happen to Shvi? Vakara is replaced by what letter?
U.
Replaced by U. So Vakara is replaced by U, then what will happen? You will have Shu. You will have Shu only. Then Ukaranta now. Ukaranta dhatu, what will happen? Already we have seen Ikara, Ukara will become Dirgaha. Dhatus ending it short or U will become E and U. Therefore, here what happens? This Vakara becomes U, therefore you get Shu and Shu followed by Yak because Shu. Similarly, Hvedatu. Hvedatu, what happens? Hakara plus Vakara plus A. Hakara plus Vakara plus A. Vakara undergoes samprasanam replaced by U. U plus A is U. Hakara plus U is U. This U becomes Dirgha when followed by Yak Kit Pratyaya. Therefore, Huyate. Understand?
Yes.
Then 13, the Churadikana dhatu, 10th conjugation. Chur dhatu plus Nich will become Chori. That we must know. Right?
Yes.
Already we have seen Chur plus Nich. What will happen to Upada letter, which is Raso Upada? Who will become O. Therefore, Chor. Chor plus E, Chori. So, Chori plus Yak plus Te, what will happen when the, this is Anit. When Anit Pratyaya follows, the Ni, the Nich is an E, that is an E, that will drop. So, rule. Therefore, Chor plus Yak plus Te, Choryate. Similarly, Tad Dhatu, Tad plus Nich, Upada is A. A will become Vriddhi. A. Therefore, Tad plus E, Tadi. Tadi plus Yak plus Te, that E is there, which is of Nich, that will drop when followed by Anit Pratyaya. This is Anit Pratyaya. Itagama cannot take. Therefore, Thadyate. Understand?
Yes.
Similarly, Gani, some other rule is there. We'll see that later. Later we'll see. Don't worry about that. That here Yakva follows Anit. Therefore, E will go away. Therefore, Ganyate, not Ganyate. Please note, this we will see later in 10th conjugation. Similarly, Krit Dhatu, 10th conjugation. What will happen? Krit Dhatu will plus that becomes Kr is Rikara here. It is not, it can, if it is Rasvapada, it will take Dirgha, but it is not. Okay. So,
This is rule 3.
rule?
According to
rule?
rule 3, number 3,
Number 3, what?
No. Because it's not ending re, it's ending te. Dakar.
No, this kru dhatu, you know, what happens is kru plus nich. When nich pratyaya follows. Yes, rukaranta dhatu, which is, we have seen this rule also. Upadayascha, rukaranta dhatu, this ru will be replaced by ir, kirt. This is where already we have seen this rule also. See here, you have to check the sandhi. I mean, not sandhi. Our 7100 is there, right? What is 71101? Just in this dhatu list only we have seen in the beginning. I'll show you. Tinganta Sutrani. Please check here. Where is the sutra? You can always find out. Not this one. Where is that? Preparing the dhatus. Other file. 1 minute. Yeah, here it is. Please see this. This is a sutra. 133 Rutaha Iddhatu already we have seen. Upadayascha. You see that? Upadayascha.
Yes.
What is Upadayascha says? Upada is penultimate.
Yes.
Even if the Upada letter is Rikara, that also will be replaced by Ir. Please check
Yes.
your notes. By that.
Yes.
Upadayascha. 10th conjugation dhatu. Therefore, becomes 10th conjugation dhatu it is. Therefore, kirt plus niche also will be there. I have not written niche here. Then I will write like this. Please see. Upada becomes E. Therefore, kirt plus niche plus yak plus te. Now what happens here? When anit follows, the knee will drop. When knee drops, what you have? Then we will have kirt. Repa is upada. Preceded by E, which is equilateral. That E will become plus ya plus te becomes kirtyate. This is also 10th conjugation dhatu. The form is kirtyate. Is it clear?
Yes.
Dhatu, krut dhatu plus nich. That is, I'll write one more step if you want. Krut plus nich. Then what happens is the kr will be replaced by E. Since r is replaced by E, repa also will be appended. Uran raparaha. Therefore, kirt. Kirt plus nich plus yak plus te. When anit pratyaya follows, ni will go away. That is what we have done all over. Chori was the E goes away. Yes or no?
Yes.
Tadi, ni was the goes away. If you want, I can write one more step there. I have not written that. So similar, kirt plus nich plus yak, ni goes away. Therefore, you have kirt. Now, repa upada, repa followed by takara, repa preceded by E. Therefore, the equilater will be replaced by E. Therefore, kirtyate. What is the sutra? Halicha. Ruho padayaha dirgaha ikaha. Halicha. By that, halicha upadayamcha. Okay, by that. Upada. Yes, irvoho upadayaha dirgaha ikaha. Then we have the sutra of alicha upada Yam cha. Upadayam cha. 7 to 78. That is the sutram. By that becomes kirt. Upadayam cha and all we have seen. That also we have seen where. Ruvoho upadayaha dirghaha ikaha alicha upadayam cha. Upadayam cha is a sutra. By that upada ik letter becomes dirghaha. This upadayascha. Don't confuse with this. Already we have seen. Upadayascha is where upada is rukara. Rukara will be replaced by e. Ir. When r is replaced by an, repa will be appended. Therefore ir. That is upadayascha. 71101. Upadayamcha is repa of dhatu followed by hal. Then when it is preceded by ik, that ik get dirgha hadesha. 8 to 76, 77, 78. These three sutras already we have seen. All these sutras were preparing the dhatus. Understand?
Yes.
Please check your notes. It will become more clear. So therefore, kiryate. Examples of some dhatus which don't change. Ish dhatu, for example. Ish dhatu will be ishyate. No change, just add. Man dhatu will become manyate. Atmane paridhatu. Manyate, manyete, manyante. Bu dhatu. Bhuyate. Bhuyate. Bu plus yak plus te. Bhuyate. Already ukaranta dhatu. Therefore no dirgha. Gam becomes gamyate. Vid becomes vidyate. Drish becomes drishdhatu. Drishyate. Much dhatu. Muchyate. As dhatu. As means to throw. As means to throw. Fourth conjugation. Not asti stasanti. If it is that dhatu, then becomes bhuyate. This is as means to throw. Fourth conjugation. Therefore, asyate, asyete, asyante. Understand?
Yes.
All this is some example where no change happened to the dhatu, just adding yet plus te, you get the form. Okay. Then exceptions now you see. Shas dhatu, all these are exceptions. Shas dhatu, shas will be, this rule and all we will see later. Now it's too much for us. Shas will be replaced by shish. Therefore, shishyate. Similarly, she dhatu, exception. She will be replaced by shay, shayyate. She means to sleep. Tan dhatu will become tayate. How does it become? We will see all those things later. Don't worry about that. Jan dhatu will become, that is janyate. Jan dhatu, nothing, janyate. Now change here. Ru dhatu becomes, already we have seen, Ru is aryate. Then exception 2. As dhatu, as means here to sattayam. As plus yak plus te, this as dhatu, second conjugation, that as will be replaced by boo. Therefore, booyate you get. Will be replaced by vach. Vach will enter. Vach will be replaced by kya. Ru will be replaced by vach. As will be replaced by boo. Therefore, chakshadatu will be replaced by kya, kyayate. Vyakyanam, akyayika, all those come from this dhatu. Gas dhatu will be replaced by adadhatu. Gas. Therefore, you have adyate. Ad means to eat. Gas means to consume, eat. Adyate. Understand?
Yes.
Then anunasika upadadhatu. I think this is the last one. Oh. Okay. I think we will stop here. Anunasika exception 3 that we will see in the next class. Huh?
Yes.
I will send you this file. You can go through this. Okay.
Yeah.
Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Number 5, this will be useful for us when we see Nishtha Pratyaya. Since we are seeing Nishtha Pratyaya, this will be useful. Can take the same thing and convert into Nishtha. What forms will come, we will see. Okay. धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद.